Today, we have an exciting tutorial for those looking to dive into the world of Bitcoin. We'll be guiding you through the process of buying Bitcoin on OkCoin. If you're new to here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Let's jump into it. OkCoin is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange, and we'll walk you through the steps to get started and make your first Bitcoin purchase. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide is for you. Let's get started. The first step is to create your OkCoin account. Visit okcoin.com, click on sign up, and follow the registration process. Make sure to use a secure password and verify your email. For security and compliance, OkCoin requires user verification. Provide the necessary details and documents as prompted to complete the verification process. This ensures a safe trading environment. Once your account is set up, log in and explore the OkCoin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, available features, and the buy-sell section where we'll make our Bitcoin purchase. Before buying Bitcoin, you'll need to deposit funds into your OkCoin account. Head to the Assets section and go to Deposit. Here, you will choose your preferred currency and follow the instructions to deposit funds. If you don't already have a payment method linked to your OkCoin account, head over to the Payment Methods tab and Add Account to get started. Here you can select between various payment methods to deposit and withdraw money to your OkCoin account, including wire transfer and bank account. Choose one to get started. Next, you will need to connect to Plaid in order to link your bank account to OkCoin to start depositing and withdrawing funds. After you have deposited your selected currency into your OkCoin account, it's time to make our first Bitcoin purchase. Navigate to the Buy Crypto button and select Bitcoin. Enter the amount that you want to buy and review the details of the order. When ready, click Buy or Review Order to confirm the transaction. Once the purchase is complete, it's essential to secure your Bitcoin. Explore the security features on OkCoin and consider transferring your Bitcoin to a secure hardware wallet for added protection. Congratulations, you've successfully bought Bitcoin on OkCoin. I hope this step-by-step guide made the process smooth for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Until next time, happy trading.